The US needs to produce faster for a whole host of applications, especially defense, where we're falling behind our adversaries in producing critical assets like submarines and ships. A lot of companies talk about reindustrializing America, but to really do that and produce at a faster pace, we need to involve robots. Robots need to know how to cut, how to grind, how to weld, how to ultimately augment an aging workforce in the United States.
We need the ground truth, the data certainty at the component level in order to manufacture the structural, electronic, and power systems we need to rebuild democracy's arsenal. That's where Gecko comes in, turning steel, concrete, welds, and precision parts into data streams that are analyzed, optimized, and acted upon with digital speed. We deliver the full suite of robotic and AI solutions, supercharging the entire manufacturing cycle, leading advanced manufacturing and quality assurance with automated real-time feedback loops, improving processes with unmatched accuracy and efficiency. Build platforms quickly and reliably, backed by high-quality data and workflows that drive throughput year over year.
What that enables ultimately is better components coming out of our US industrial base, which then means that our ships, planes, and everything else gets better components faster.
Gecko Robotics is your partner for advanced manufacturing.